Hey guys, this is Paul from Day-to-Day Fixes. Today I'll be installing a keyless entry lock by Hidalife that was sent to me by them. I've actually been meaning to get myself a keyless entry lock for my utility room. Make sure your door hole size, your back set, and your door thickness is within the parameters that they have. The first thing to install is the door latch. Right now I'm just dry fitting the door latch to make sure it fits. Make sure you put the door latch in the right direction. We want the door to close. If we put it in the other direction, the door will not close. So keep that in mind, because if you put it incorrectly, then you're gonna have to remove the whole lock in order to turn the latch around. You can use this door latch for the different hole sizes that you may have. You can extend the door latch as shown if needed. Now I'm just putting the screws on the latch. Next I'm putting in the actual lock. First I place the outdoor portion, and next I'm placing this plate. You can't make a mistake. The directions are right there printed. It says the portion that needs to be placed against the door and the orientation. Next up are 3 screws that need to be attached to the lock that was placed outside. Make sure to pull the wires through the specified hole. Now we just need to finish screwing the 3 screws. I'm assuring that the lock is straight vertically and it is not at an angle. Now it's time to connect the inside portion. Connect the wire. Make sure to finagle the wire to make sure it doesn't go through the spindle. You don't want to nick the wire. Now I'm screwing the inside portion to the wall plate, connecting the 9-volt battery that does not come in the package. Now it's time to put the cylinder in. You place the cylinder in the door handle and then push it in. If you still see any gold part of the spindle, it still needs to be put in further in. It's not correct. Now I'm just testing to make sure the key works fine, which it does. Then I am ready to place the inside portion of the handle. Make sure you don't forget to put this little black plastic piece just in case it fell out of the spindle. Sorry, I didn't realize it wasn't recording correctly, but you guys get the picture. In case we need to remove the handles, it came with this. You just press at the bottom, there's a little hole, and then we can just pull out the handles on either side of the door as shown. In this case, I already have a strike plate installed. I am not going to replace it. You can if you want to make everything match up. This particular lock has a pretty cool feature. That lever that I just turned makes it so that way the door doesn't lock. If I turn it back and the lever is vertically, then the lock works as designed. It will automatically lock in the amount of seconds that you have it set up. The code here is defaulted to 1234. I did change it and I removed the 123 code as shown. Guys, in conclusion, this lock was easy to install. The directions were clear. You shouldn't have an issue programming it. The cool part was the passage portion of the lock. In case you're using this and you have guests coming in and out, you can flick that lever and it won't automatically lock until you flip the lever back. The link to this product is in the description. If this was helpful, please like and subscribe.